this will make an extra protection for the cage. It's 3 meters by 20, so I will have a lot. So we have this arch is 5 meters and the length is 3 meters, and then you can sew them all together. But with this kind of mesh, I don't need to remove the nylon, so I could do it easily from the inside. Do less job for myself. So we are nearly there. I'm gonna do the first round from here. Take it behind the pipes, and then I will fix it on the edges, and then I will start to pull it again and sew the edges here also, and then we do another one on this side and we sew it again, so it will be fantastic hopefully, but it's not easy really, but eventually we will reach the right thing. So I have been very busy recently. I just put the heater on. The temperature, it's like 11 Celsius, 41 Fahrenheit inside. Of course outside is 1. Connected all the nets. This side is done. And this side is done, but I wanted to finish the frame door, and I made the door also. So I connected the frame actually to the greenhouse by putting beneath the ground like 10 centimeters and connected to the pipes like that, using PVC pipe just to hold, because I purchased some clips and they were very big. So now it's good. So now I could, after finish the frame, I could start and complete to attach the net on this side. And after I finish all that I will start to do the outdoors, these ones. So now the door is in place. And then the next stage, I'm gonna connect the hinges for the door. And we're nearly there. As you can see, I've been working very hard on this ivory, which was a greenhouse before. So now we are nearly there. As you can see, we have the door installed and the mesh wire on both sides. And today I completed this side. So we are nearly done. It took a lot of work and effort actually. Now I'm going to work on the door side. It's going to be tricky a little bit. At last we are done here regarding the mesh. So completed all the connections, by fixing all the mesh on the frame and on the frame door by using this plywood. And then we add a lock and a handle, and of course when you come in you need to lock it. We don't want any birds to escape. And this side is done also. And of course I started to connect LED lights here for night time. Hopefully it will give some comfort to the birds. And the temperature outside today it's 4, but inside the greenhouse is 13 Celsius. I see it. Yeah, like that. So it's good. I ordered some thick nylon. As you can see here, the gravel is wet. Of course I've got an anti-weed cover underneath it, but it's not enough. So I will wait for the nylon to come, heavy duty nylon. I will remove the stones as much I could, and then I will cover it back with stones. Hopefully that will help the damp not go through inside the greenhouse. All the windows needs to be closed, and of course night time you can zip the nylon door from outside. As you can feel here, very strong draft. And of course especially during winter it just needs to be closed only when I come in a little bit, and you can close it from inside also. But it's a little bit hassle, but I did it because I was working inside, and I managed to close it from inside, zip myself in. These are LED lights that I used to use for my hydroponic system in the garage. So I took 2 of these and they look perfect. Lights here, I didn't put it too high, I just wanted to make it lower, especially if I leave it at night time. It will be annoying for the neighbors. It has some heat, but not that much, but it will help. Anything will help to heat up the greenhouse. But I made it for myself when I come in night time to check or something happens. It looks nice. Of course I used it last night to finish some work, and it looks perfect. It was very bright here. It was very dark outside. Now I will, my next step, I will need to bring a power source inside here for the lights and the heater. Of course the heater I will put it on this thermal, and the lights I will put a timer on. So let's say during, so these are the lights and these are the swings for the birdies. Today it's not that cold. Without heater it's 7. So enough working for today. We'll come back tomorrow.